Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on WhatNot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change from English to Spanish or vice versa. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to WhatNot. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on Preferences towards the middle, and then go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Language. So once you click on Language, it's going to redirect you to here. And depending on what version of WhatNot you have, if there's a newer update and there is a language update, you will be able to change your language here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your language on WhatNot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.